Today we are going to see about large deals in the IT clouds and the software services. And myself is Senthil S. Kumar, large deals specialist. Large deals are game changers. Right selection of a vendor leads to modernized environment, high client satisfaction, and robust business growth for the company. That is why the large deals are emerging from the big companies. Large deals are categorized into the range of 100 million to 1 billion plus dollars, and it is taking care of the IT carve-outs, infrastructure services covering the service desk, network, servers, infrastructure, end user services, and workplace services, and also the cyber security, compliances, disaster recovery kind of, and third party contracts and the assets management. And one more major portion of the large deals is on the application services. So it covers the application support and application development called ADMS. And again, ADMS revolves around the Agile DevSecOps, and the client may be looking forward to the enterprise architecture modernization and the data transformation, and of course the data analytics and dashboards, cloud migration and integration and modernization is part of these application services portfolio. In addition, the cultural aspect of organization change management and business excellence is part of it. And the large deal process ranges from 45 days to 100 days, and of course you need to work forward for this particular kind of deals for more than a year or two kind of. And it is mostly handled by the consultants like ISG, McKinsey, Deloitte, PwC, or equity players, and there are plenty of regional consultant who does the large deals consultancy process, taking care of the RFP release to the SOW submission kind of. And the win strategy for the large deals is nothing but your solution is the first one, meeting the requirements by understanding the challenges. How are you meet the requirements based on the challenges the client face? And the cost, of course, everybody comes to you for the cost optimization on the current spend versus the proposed spend. Transition and transformation, and again the transition is a critical part. Nobody would like to have a business disruptions during the transition, and the transformation is a key theme which they want to move through the next environment. That is why these deals are emerging. And innovation, how are you going to innovate the landscape in total, and how you position the new tools and accelerators, and what is the engagement roadmap? Is it going to be 3 years or 4 years or 7 years? Like that, you need to position how you are going to transform the client environment from day 1 to 3 years kind of. And also the proven experience, where you have done it, how you have done it, what you have done it, and how successful you are with the reference clients whom you have successfully delivered such large deals. Looking into the solution aspects, you are supposed to take care of the client objectives and the pain points and the challenges, and also how you transform the client from current mode of operations into the future mode of operations. And as I mentioned earlier, transitioning without any business disruptions, because you may have some 3 to 6 months window where you need to transition 600 applications or 1200 plus applications, and of course the large landscape of the infrastructure and other portfolios, and transforming the landscape, the present landscape may be in the legacy, and how are you going to modify, and there may be plenty of ERPs. How are you going to consolidate the ERPs, and how you are going to modernize? There are plenty of aspects will come under the transformation, including the application portfolio rationalization. And also the key themes which is going to be the win strategy for you is how are you positioning the automation, how are you positioning the development under the Agile DevSecOps, and how you move the applications into the SaaS so that the cost on the asset side will get reduced, and how you go into the hybrid cloud migration path, some of the things in the private, some of the things in the public cloud, so how you handle it, and enterprise and the data architecture modernization, and of course the seamless integration platform, what you position for such large deals, and the tools and accelerator, and your roadmap, how fast you are transforming the client environment is a key changer for these deals. And also the cost optimization, productivity savings which you can bring to the table on an year to year basis kind of. And of course, the overall client business growth, by signing up the deal with you, the client needs to grow 40% or 30 to 40% in that range. Then only they will be in a position to consider you as a right partner for you. And the top players with 20 to 100 large accounts are listed. I don't want to get into the details of which large account with which MNCs kind of, so that you will be in a position to take it from the other sources. Thank you, and we will look into the other details in subsequent videos.